welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're just doing a little bit of everything and getting it all done. I've got some cleaning to do, we're going to be dipping into some baking, and just some random things around the house that needed to get done. Plus you guys can see Caleb and get a little baby update. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it gives you motivation or encouragement, or yeah, I hope it just makes you smile and makes you happy. Also, if you hear baby grunts in the background, that's because Caleb is hanging out with me while I do this voiceover. Okay, we just have a quick grocery haul. These things, okay, let me just start right here. I've got 2 things of Cool Whip. I'm making a Oreo dessert thing, and I needed 2 things of Cool Whip along with a package of Oreos, 2 chocolate fudge pudding packets, and some powdered sugar, as well as a block of cream cheese, which was right there. This was supposed to be a big bag of popcorn, but apparently I did not pay attention to the size, so this is the little bag of popcorn that we got. Pretty funny. 2 tomatoes, an avocado, cucumber, bananas. I got some honey to go along with this plain yogurt, as well as some more granola, eggs, gallons of block bags. We've got some broccoli, and then I just got some sliced cheese, some bell peppers. The cream cheese goes with that. I got some romaine lettuce, another thing of half and half, and some lunch meat. So that's our little grocery haul for the week.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, in your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Shout out to my sweet friend who got me the sweetest goodie basket of self-care items. It was so sweet. People have been so good to us. As you saw, we also had another gift bag with diapers and wipes and cute baby clothes. So if you guys are watching and you know who you are, we're just so thankful for y'all and every single gift that we've gotten. It's just such a blessing to us, so thank you for that.
So clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, in your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
So now I was just sitting down and planning out the rest of the month, planning out some content and some videos that I'm going to be putting out. I had a couple things to answer, So yeah, I was just kind of getting organized and putting everything in my little calendar book. It really helps me keep everything straight and stay organized. So.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting the deep.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh my goodness. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. He is 2 weeks old. Well, he turned 2 weeks old yesterday. So by the time you guys see this video, he'll actually be 3 weeks old, which is just crazy that he is growing that fast. Yeah, it's just crazy. We go to the doctor today. Don't we? Do we go to the doctor today to see how you're growing? Huh? You want to go see how you're growing? I'm eager to see if he has gained more weight and at least gained back what he lost after he was born. He lost 8 ounces within 2 days. So I'm eager to see how much he weighs now. Because you've gotten bigger. You're just a chunky monkey. Yeah, just a chunky monkey. You're so sweet. I love you. He let me get so much done this morning. That was great. I had a little stretch of time that he took a really great nap. I think he might be going through his first growth spurt maybe because he has been eating a lot more and he's just like, he's been taking a lot longer naps, but he's always napped, he's always taken long naps in the morning. He's a good morning napper. So it might just be that. But anyways, you gave mommy a good stretch, didn't you? Yeah. So now that he's awake for a bit, I'm going to just take a break from everything and spend some time with him. Might read some books and stuff and just, yeah, spend a little time with him. So that's what we're gonna do now. Say bye-bye.
All this time, I've been feeling hopeless till you came around, came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs, chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love, what is love? I don't know, no one ever showed me. I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart, maybe I can start to love.
So Zach special requested some homemade bread this week, so that's what I'm working on here. This bread recipe is a family bread recipe, and a lot of ladies in my family know how to make it, so it's really special that I get to make it now. It's super tasty, and I always do whole wheat flour just to make it a little bit healthier, but you can obviously always make it with white flour or whatever, but this is how I make my bread.
Oh
Okay, my camera battery died, so I couldn't show you guys the rest of the process of making the bread, but it's done now, so got that done. We just got back from Caleb's doctor's appointment, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I've got 2 baskets of laundry to finish folding, and I'm just gonna make some dinner, but I think we're just gonna do some easy dinner. I think I'm just gonna do some steak and green beans and keep it simple. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of get it all done, do everything, and you know, finish everything up in one day, so it felt good to get a lot of stuff done and accomplished. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.